Trump will take office soon. Another significant occasion, particularly considering his feelings toward cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and the stunning photo he recently took of Brad Garlinghouse and Stuart Alba. As far as we know, he is bringing in a whole department and a new crypto czar to lead the U.S. to the forefront of this cryptocurrency race. That is extremely optimistic. Once Trump takes office and we have policies and regulations, we know the institutions will step in, especially if there are no taxes on cryptocurrency. I can't emphasize enough how crucial it is that cryptocurrency be tax-free. Do you realize how much money the major players and institutions would put into this cryptocurrency market? If that passes, you'll see statistics you never imagined were even conceivable. The third event, finally, Gary Gensler will be departing the SEC. The SEC is getting a new head, which might result in more cryptocurrency litigation than just Ripple v. SEC. We are discussing everyone openly and gently. They can also disappear. People, those three significant occurrences could catalyze the bull run. The topic of discussion in this episode will be Bitcoin and ETFs. We will examine price charts and discuss a golden cross on XRP. Folks, we have a lot to discuss. It was a lengthy introduction. Without further ado, take a seat back and unwind. Let's dive into Bitcoin at $90,000, $642. It has lost almost 4% in the past day. Ethereum is down 6.23%. Closing at $3,054. XRP, USDT, and USDC are both approaching their currency pegs. The truth is, man, it's holding on. I'll tell you that now. Bitcoin is chilling at $2.37 and isn't attempting a full-scale retracement. I would like to see it return to $2.50, but it's just trying to spoil the fun. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies, $3,171 billion. Is the entire Bitcoin market dropping to $3 trillion, in my opinion? Look, for this to drop back down and test the all-time high of the cryptocurrency market cap in 2020, something insane would have to happen. Although I don't think it will happen, it might, but ultimately, I don't care where these prices are going at the moment if we're looking at the short to medium term where cryptocurrency is headed. Because there are so many great deals available right now, the only thing I'm considering is whether I should buy more or not. At these prices, I'm a little tempted to invest a large portion of my money in AVAX and Chainlink. At these costs, Chainlink is above my dollar cost average, which is my sole complaint. I don't like to buy more than my DCA, which was $15.38 on Chainlink when I had my small sheet pulled up here. My DCA on AVAX is $32.96. Hopefully, I won't do it. It's not far. On AVAX, it is really near to my dollar cost average. I may need to acquire some more AVAX and eat Bane over here. I may be forced to do it. They're in the red eye. Polkadot is awful. Such a poor performer. I'm not sure. Come on, I'll let everyone know when I've decided what I'm going to do here. I have complete faith in the direction these markets will take. I do not doubt that this bull run will continue. Folks, I do not doubt that these markets are going to blow apart, and I'm going to back up my claims. Cointelegraph, Gary Gensler's resignation as SEC chair is just 7 days away. Will the new SEC chair allow the XRP and Solana ETFs? Indeed. They will, indeed. They will arrive sooner than you anticipated. Additionally, they won't be the only ETFs. ETFs are going to take this market by storm. You will notice baskets. You will encounter Solana and XRP, they discussed HBAR. You'll undoubtedly discover more assets in an ETF than you never would have imagined. Whatever the institutions want, they will get it, I'll tell you that now. ETFs are therefore present on assets because the institutions desire them. They are aware that they can sell it. They are aware that they can sell it. You will encounter them. It's as easy as that. We refer to holding one of those assets before the ETF's release as winning since you made up for it before the institutions did. According to Lori, post this, as of January 15, 2025, the appeal is denied. If the appeal isn't submitted before then, here's how I believe this will unfold, then. As we've seen with Jay Clayton, he filed a lawsuit against Ripple on his last day of employment, correct? Although it's really the 21st, folks are claiming that Gary Gensler's last day is the 20th. He is aware that he is out, after all. All right. Why? Why hold off? Why hold off? Then, just leave, don't you? This is what I believe will occur. There will be an appeal. On the 15th, we won't hear anything. Nothing. The lawsuit, the social media flurry, and the press are all over. That's it. People, throw in the towel. Indeed, we succeeded. No, since the appeal will be submitted after business hours by the SEC. On the morning of the 16th, it will arrive at the judge's desk. After learning that the appeal was indeed filed and that the case continues, Frazier will go down and XRP's price will drop. I'm thinking the same thing. This is merely my guess. My guess. I might be entirely mistaken. For all we know, they might submit the appeal today. We don't. And we won't be aware of it. However, they will file it. Unless Trump phoned his staff at the SEC and told them, look, don't file this appeal, I don't see them filing this. It's finished. It's finished. Folks, it is the only way this is going to end, and it is highly likely to do so. Donald Trump plans to sell his interests in Bitcoin ETFs. Treasury selection. Would you check that out? If confirmed by Congress, Scott Bassett, the Treasury Secretary nominee proposed by President-elect Trump, will have to undergo a major financial reorganization. Bassett has a sizable investment in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, which is worth between $250,000 and $500,000. According to the statement, the ETF oversees assets worth more than $50 billion. This investment is consistent with Bassett's well-known endorsement of cryptocurrencies. To what extent is this bullish? The Treasury Secretary will be this guy. He has a ridiculous amount of BlackRock Bitcoin ETFs. That is really bullish. I'm excited about it. The Bitcoin price chart is shown here. Still making out. Not yet. I have yet to drop past 90. Since Wednesday, the price has continued to reverse. This thing needs to be pushed up. Additionally, it must become bullish on the 4-hour. This is your chart for XRP. Support and resistance are presently positioned at that 233 area, as you can see. Resistance can be found between 258 and 260. On the downside, as we move in, we're looking at roughly 225. Here is our other chart for the small volatility breakthrough. The split that took place on Saturday is one of us. It hasn't been declared invalid yet. Here at 233, we're holding this lovely purple line. Therefore, that was not invalidated. We're not looking for help. Here, we wish to examine our market oracle. Everything we're looking at is still really bullish. Additionally, the prime score is quite bullish. This small green line is approaching, and we don't want to cross it. A price reversal is not what we want to witness. Our goal is to climb back up to the red. Look, a slight decline following a correction. Let's watch how the price of XRP and Bitcoin changes during the remainder of the day. In our next ascent to $250, $2.70, and $2.03, I would like to see XRP return to that $2.40 range. It's that easy.